find it at termly.io. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on Start Building Compliance, and then just click their privacy policy generator. Now, the generator is super, super easy. All you have to do is enter very basic information, as you can see here. As I click different parts of the form, you can see you can even use just like checkboxes and whatnot to fill out. Very, very simple. And you could also preview it. Now let's check out their pricing, because they have a free option, which I was very surprised by, but they have a free option that is you just can have one legal policy and one domain. You also have to keep their logo in there, and you can't embed the policy on your domain, but it's free, so that makes sense. So yeah, go to termly.io to make your privacy policy. All right, thanks for watching.